Chapstick. Yes, I just woke up, sleep deprived. People are so disrespectful. Know that I'm nocturnal and still want to call me in the morning when they know I'm sleeping. Anyway, so yeah, that's why I'm all puffy. The Sephora sale. Okay, I know there's a lot of recommendation videos going up and wish lists and everything, and I just want to say, shop the Sephora sale as a last resort. If you're Rouge, you get 20%, and then I think Insider, I get the other two mixed up. One is 15%, one is 10%. Okay, listen, 10% is an insult. You can get that using somebody's code somewhere else for something on a brand's website, excuse me. Even at 20%, it doesn't impress me because brands have sales more than 20%. Pat McGrath's website throughout the year, like just randomly, it seems like she'll have 30% plus off sales. I did just purchase Sublime and the Artistry wand, 30% off. So if you want Pat McGrath, don't get it from Sephora for 20% off. Wait and just keep checking on Pat's website. And the same with Natasha Denona. She does bundle deals, a few times a year where you can get 2 of whatever palettes and it'll come out to like almost 40% discount with the bundle. And sometimes she has deals on her special offers page, which the special offers page is usually 50% off. And so 20% at Sephora, really? Get out of my face with that. I just woke up, I'm in a mood. I'm just like, I want y'all to save money and to be smart and not just think Sephora 20% off or 15% or 10% when you can get more percentage off than that. And what's the other brand? Fenty. Fenty's always coming out with new stuff. Fenty's website always has sales throughout the year, every few months, 25% off site-wide. They also do bundle sets and bundle deals. And so you can get more than 20% off. Dr. Dennis Gross and Peter Thomas Roth. My face loves some of their skincare items. Peter's site had a 25% site-wide sale not too long ago. Dr. Dennis Gross, his website had 30% off site-wide sale. So even for skincare, just check the brand's website. Whatever your go-to brands are, whatever your favorite brands are, whether it's makeup or skincare, sign up on the brand's website. And when you see those emails for 20%, 30%, bundle deals, whatever, that's when you buy your stuff throughout the year. Don't just think, I'll just wait for the Sephora sale. Because 20%, 15%, 10%, this day and age, that is not really a lot. I mean, yes, it does save versus full price. But why settle for 20% off when I know I can get 30% or even 35% or even 50%? You see what I'm saying? So just be smart about your purchases. And the holidays are coming up. So websites will be having Thanksgiving sales, Black Friday sales, Cyber Monday sales. So just try not to think of the Sephora sale as an end-all, be-all type thing. You know what I'm saying? And so I just wanted to come on here and say that I don't have any recommendations except just to recommend that you check brands' websites and sign up on your favorite brands' websites and just shop the sales throughout the year and don't just hold out for 20, 15, or 10% because, yeah, if it's a name brand, a big brand, chances are you can get more than 20%. So that's all I wanted to say. Happy shopping, shop smart, shop sales, shop deals, shop bundles throughout the year, not just twice for Sephora for what they think they're really giving us when those of us who be shopping, we know. And so I'm just sharing this information with you because if you didn't know, now you know. And so I'm going to go and you will see me soon. Thanks.